Twin Cities Adventures. Today we're going on a hike in the woods in the fall, and we're going to pick some of these top edibles. Here we've got some lion's mane, sulfur shelf, turkey tail mushrooms, and some of the other ones we're going to do some fun things with. So let's head out in the woods. Right behind me, right there, is a lion's mane mushroom. Let's take a closer look at it. Every year, this one particular tree produces lion's mane mushroom. And here is this year's offering. Beautiful specimen. Usually there's one or two. Looks like there's a little tiny one right there. Let's take a closer look at this one here. Look at that. Nice and fresh. I don't know why this tree produces every year, but it does, and I am taking it. You gotta climb up on these trees that you find them on, and you have to scan all around them because every year it's in a different spot. Some years it's in the front, some years it's on the top. This year it's around kind of the top side, the back. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? We're gonna harvest that, and then we'll cook that up and do a taste test later on. Okay, there is the opening where it came from. And check this out. That will be delicious. This tree never fails me. Every year, I find lion's mane on this tree. Okay, here's our other find. Can you see it right behind me? Looky right here. It's chicken of the woods, or Latipora sulfurius. Let's take a close look at that too. Look at how beautiful that looks nestled up under that tree. Let's take a quick peek at that. Okay, that is why it's called Latipora sulfurius, because it's like sulfur underneath. It's also called sulfur shelf. That will be very delicious. We'll pull some more off of that. Okay, here is our specimens that we harvested. Beautiful sulfur polypore underneath, and that bright orange top layer. That is fresh Latipora sulfurius. We'll cook that up later on too. And here are some fresh turkey tail mushrooms. Let's pop these up. Take a look at the underside. Nice smooth polypore surface. That is nice. We're gonna dehydrate those and make turkey tail tea. Very medicinal. Great way to boost your immunity. We've got some fresh sulfur shelf, aka chicken of the woods. We're gonna dip that in egg and then breadcrumbs. Come back here and do egg and breadcrumbs again. We'll put that in the oil. It's time to flip that and thoroughly cook this. Pretend you're cooking fish, fried fish or fried chicken. So just cook it until it looks like it's done. Okay, that's what the chicken of the woods looks like when it's done. Just gonna want to keep cooking it and turning it until it's nice and golden brown. Trust me, you're gonna want it golden brown. It's nice and crunchy. Just like that. Okay, taking the chicken of the woods off, the first batch here. Here's our lion's mane. I'm just gonna cut that into slices, just like this. Now I'm going to place that in melted butter and garlic. And we'll saute that up. A little bit of salt and pepper on there. Taste test time. Chicken of the woods is one of the best flavors of the year. Make sure you put your salt and pepper on there. It makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching Twin Cities Adventures. Out.